What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an unboxing, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail. Woo! Yay! Okay, guys, so the unboxing is woo! Smile more! Woo! That's why this video is gonna be uplifting and happy because I got it from Smile More. So, a little background. If you're wondering why I got this, I haven't opened it yet. I just opened it to make sure it's the right thing. But, I can't tell. I'm told. But, if you're wondering why I got this, because my birthday is in a week. And it's the 30th, so 7 days. I already knew that I got this. So, and it was like $10. So, I just got this. To kind of get the festivities started here. But, yeah. So, let's see what's in it. I know what it is, and you probably know what it is. Yeah! Oh, wait, what? Guys, I'm never ordering anything from Smile More. I watch him every day, but stuff. What the? Wait. Oh, it's backwards on the camera, but it says Smile More. It's the back. And it's like not one of those bags, it's like a bag that it doesn't come undone. It's actually a cool bag. I'm going to keep that and do something with it. We'll figure it out. I might put my extra camera supplies in here because I know I have more. But yes. Woohoo! Smile More. So they said that it was $10 because it had some type of deformation. Yeah, it said it had some type of deformation. I don't know. Let me just curve the bill a little bit. So that's what it looks like. I don't see anything. Maybe this would be the only thing I could think of. Yeah, that's the only thing. So it's like this little thing right there. That would be the only deformation I could think of. So I'm pretty sure it has all the same stuff. So like, you know, Smile More. And it says RomanAtwood.com. Like on these stripes, it says RomanAtwood.com. And right here, Smile More logo and RomanAtwood. Let's try this on. Real big. I know that he wears this one every day, so it's got to be some type comfortable. I think that might be not tight enough. I don't know. Maybe it is. Right now, I just have the full button thing. Let's see. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, I like this hat. Pretty nice. Alright, guys. So, review. Hat. This stuff. Trash. Garb. This. Keep. This. Because it has Smile More tape on it. I can keep that somehow. Or I can just keep the box and also put camera supplies. We'll see. You know what I'm going to do? Hold on. I'm going to put this camera. If you're wondering why I'm not using this camera, it's because, I don't know, it's this thing where I don't have enough storage on the SD card. And I haven't deleted the stuff that I need to delete yet. So, yeah, if you're wondering why. And just this. Boom, 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 boom. My camera's in here. Ha 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 ha. And I'll probably just keep the hat in this bag for a couple days until I put it in my closet. But, yeah. Smile More. See if we can get a cool thumbnail here. Okay, that's not gonna be it for this. I don't know, it's 5 minutes, that's kind of long. But yeah, so overall, I would recommend you getting one of these. Hats there. There's no deformities that I see, of course. That's just me. Tell me if you guys see anything, but I sure don't. Alright. Well, that's gonna do it for today's RomanAtwood vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the wait. Make sure to subscribe. I'm just kidding, guys. It says please subscribe. Sorry. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to comment on this video, because the first comment will get a shout out. So, see you guys later. Peace out.